Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious ice cream using just a few simple ingredients and 2 Ziploc bags. This method is a fun and easy way to create a sweet treat without needing an ice cream maker. We'll cover everything from gathering your supplies to enjoying your homemade dessert. Get ready to learn a quick and enjoyable kitchen experiment that yields fantastic results in under 15 minutes. Now let's create our ice cream base. In your small, quart-sized Ziploc bag, combine 1 cup of whole milk, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can also add other flavorings like chocolate syrup or fruit purees if you wish. Once all your ingredients are in, carefully seal the bag, making sure there's no air trapped inside and it's completely leak-proof. This is crucial for the next step. This is where the magic happens. Take your larger, gallon-sized Ziploc bag and fill it approximately halfway with ice cubes. Next, add about 1/2 cup of rock salt to the ice. The salt lowers the freezing point of the ice, making it much colder and allowing your ice cream mixture to freeze. Now, carefully place your sealed quart bag, containing the ice cream base, inside the gallon bag with the ice and salt. Seal the larger bag securely. Now for the fun part. Vigorously shake the gallon bag, ensuring the ice and salt surround the smaller bag. Continue shaking for about 5 to 10 minutes, or until your ice cream reaches a soft serve consistency. You'll feel it firming up inside. Once it's ready, remove the small bag from the larger one. It's very important to rinse the outside of the small bag thoroughly to wash off any salt before opening it. Then, grab a spoon and enjoy your delicious, homemade ice cream.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.